want to see how this dynamite works. It's got to be like C4, right? Hang on.
Yo,
Oh no, get back.
It's gonna blow up.
Can you shoot it?
Come on, let me try. Yeah, you can shoot it.
Ah, okay, it's just like a throwable. Yes. You can't light it though?
There's the Nazi symbol again with the star in it. Oh god. Oh god. There's a happy
Are we gonna
guy
have to
on...
like... What?
There's a happy guy in the tree.
Ew.
Wait, what? Objective complete.
Uh-oh. Oh, Aaron, there's ammo over here.
Alright, I'm grabbing the ammo real fast.
What is that? Is it... It's like... Oh, landmine. Here they come! Fire well! Super elite.
Where?
I don't know. Big heavy armor guy. Oh, right there. Do you see him? He's got an MP-42. Aaron, you see him?
Yeah.
I'm almost dead. Yeah. Okay, I got pistol. Ah.
Hold on, I'm circling around to grab you.
Alright.
How do I revive?
Yeah, I had a pistol.
There you go.
There you go. Are there like health kits in this game, or? Oh god. Hang on. Grenade out. Is that guy? Is that elite guy dead?
I don't know.
I think he is.
Did we do it?
Shotgun. I guess.
Nope, there's still one more.
Which one?
Get to the safe room.
Well, hang on. There's got to be gold bars and stuff around here.
Fair. Check around. It looks like a hotel room, but what about here? Ammo for PP something, PPSH.
Oh, PPSH. That's what I have.
It's in this house over here then.
I'm coming.
Just in there.
Thank you.
Oh!
We
Found
them?
one!
Nice. Where are the bottles?
I'm guessing that, like what you said, they could be on top of buildings and we have to shoot them. Kind of like the one collectible in the regular game.
Yeah. Or like the what's that thing? The serpent emblems or whatever in Resident Evil.
Yeah. My question is, how did these guys take out a tank?
Yeah. Well, I don't know. That guy. Remember that one guy was wielding a MG42. Maybe he had explosives. Maybe his suiciders swarmed him.
Listen. No, this is. Wait, isn't that? Wait, which tank is this? Which tank is this?
Tiger tank.
Yeah, shouldn't they have been on their side then?
Well, hang on. There's T-34s here. Maybe that was destroyed when the Soviets and the Germans were battling here.
Alright, fair enough.
Right? Because you see, well, that's a Tiger right there, but I think this one right here, I think, is a T-34. Yeah, see, look at the red star on the side.
Yeah.
Right. Dynamite.
What the heck is this? An MP44?
Oh yeah, it's like it's assault rifle. It's like it's an STG-44. They just call it something different.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna need shotgun ammo. Oh, I know this part. I saw videos on it.
Oh, what?
The church.
The church.
Yeah, we got to the church. I remember the church.
I don't know if God's gonna protect us, Aaron, but
Nope.
alright.
Can't expect God to do all the work.
Yep. I'm gonna try this Soviet submachine
Look
gun.
at all these
thing
cards.
here.
Is that cards or money on the table with blood on it?
I don't know. I don't know. It looks like. I don't know. Maybe it's like ration cards or something.
Maybe. If you can't tell, I was pulling the burned man.
The guy from Fallout?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, ready when you are.
Let's do it.
Come on. There we go. Oh shit!
Whoa. What was that? Is this a sniper? Yep, I see. You see the glint?
Oh yeah,
There we go.
I just lined up my shot before you took him down. Careful, he might
Nice.
resurrect.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I see
another
God.
one. To the left. Good shoot, man. Good shoot. Suicide is incoming.
I'm afraid we might get. We don't need.
More suiciders. You know, sniper zombies have only one eye.
I think so. Careful, they might come. Yep, more of them.
Yep. Uh-oh.
Or at least they blew each other up.
Yeah. Zombies.
I'm always looking behind us because I'm afraid they'll come behind.
Yeah. Loading.
Don't blow up too much, we might need it later.
Yeah. It ain't going out.
Ooh, that was a good shot. Did you see that?
No?
Oh, it did the slow-mo camera for me. He was bending over. I shot him and he did a backflip.
That's good.
Thank goodness I was live streaming that. I'm gonna clip that maybe.
Look in these stables.
Again with the baby crib with nothing in it. This time.
What is that? Fire alarm? What is that? Bell or something.
Yeah, this guy's bleeding. Look at his arm. There's nothing on his arm. It's just bone.
Oh yeah. Ugh. Ugh. Is there something in this field over here?
Be careful about you, because the enemy could come from anywhere.
Yeah.
And I'm hearing distant
something.
screaming, by the way.
Yeah. There's gotta be something like in these trees or...
I'm hearing whispers, and I don't like it. No, not like that. Kind of like, come over here and listen. You just
yeah, I come to you.
You can faintly hear it.
Gone almost there.
Just listen carefully. You can faintly hear it. I think it's just ambient noises, though.
Yeah. Nothing over here. Another tiger tank.
Oh, I found a vehicle. We could just drive the hell out of here.
Yeah.
But no, we have to go to the church.
Oh, another gold bar. There's one more. There should be one more somewhere around here.
Oh, yeah, this is gonna be hell.
Oh, we gotta like hold the line?
Yep. Look at all this shit
You
they
know,
gave
I'm gonna...
us. Pick up the preacher? What?
Preacher?
Yeah, look.
Oh, it's like a double barrel shotgun. I'm gonna try that.
New objective, defend the church.
Alright. I just got an achievement for picking up the preacher. I kick ass to the Lord.
Nice. Also, they're in the church.
Alright, I'm putting down quick mine.
They're approaching the
Here
church.
they come, fire at will. Oh, dude, this shotgun. Oh my dude, this shotgun wrecks them. Watch it.
Oh shit, you just popped in front of me, you jackass. You scared the crap
Oh,
out
sorry.
of me. You scared the crap out. Oh, okay. I saw what you
Watch
did.
this. Watch this.
Alright. Damn!
See that?
Yeah, I just saw
Right?
it there.
This thing is awesome.
How many shots does it have?
It's only two.
No, but how much ammo?
Oh, like 7 bullets left. But I've been using them. I put landmines down. This thing's got some range, too.
Don't use it all, because we might need it.
Yeah. Skeletons. He reloads it like he's reloading an under-barrel shotgun. He doesn't, you know, he doesn't pop the barrel off and insert 2 shells. He reloads it like it's a under-barrel shotgun. It's really weird. Hey, yo, there's an upstairs.
Oh, they're coming. Oh, they're coming.
I got the coverage from up here.
It's for those super guys,
I don't see him. Oh, I see him now.
Coming off.
Yep. There's another super guy. Grenade going out. stairs. Get out. There we go. There we go. He's dead.
Grenade going out.
And I'm down. Taco Red is pretty good, actually.
Going down to help.
Alright. Hold him back, damn it. For all tomorrow. No, you're behind us. Ow! Is he behind us? Oh, he's moving out. Well,
Come on. There you go.
I wish I had like an actual health bar so I can see how low I am.
Okay, move back, move back.
I need more bullets. Oh, there's a Thompson here. Alright, got the kill, yes. One on the ground there.
Yeah, I'm trying to kill him. I'm out of grenade.
Got my pistol left. There's more coming. Suicider! Man, that was good.
Get a truck.
Alright. Get the hell out of here. That was fun.
And wait, there's 4 people. There's 3 people in the back.
Is that supposed to be like players 3 and 4?
I guess, yeah. Oh, I just got an achievement. Don't mention the Z word. Village of the Dead completed.
Yep. Oh, man, let's see, you got ice combo. Did you get more kills? Yeah, you got more kills than me.
Only by a small amount.
That's pretty cool.
Alright, do we continue or return to lobby?
Yeah, let's continue.
Alright.
Berlin is burning, and all souls remaining here are damned. The streets crawl with Nazi zombies. Find the source of this unearthly scourge.
Alright. Quickly pick out your loadout.
Yeah. Bolt action, Japanese.
Or locked in 3, 2, 1. This doesn't give us that much time to lock in.
No, yeah. I mean, I think I have like a... Ooh. There's our guys. I'm using the Car 98K now. We're gathering at the Memorial Cathedral.
But it can't be good. We don't know how long we can hold out before we fall.
Save our souls. Why is that in English?
Lord,
Die. Are you still using your loadout from last mission? I can't
Yeah,
hear you
because
if
if
you're talking.
I'm sorry, I muted myself. It worked.
Yep. Cool, it's they're like gathered around the corpse in here. Okay, the Thompson is actually really good. Oh, dude, the Thompson is awesome.
What the heck do you got?
What was that? Did you hear that?
No.
Tucker bullets. Oh, gold bar. German Luger over here. I hear demons.
Damn it, I almost had him in a headshot.
Yeah, the bottles gotta be like on shelves or on walls or something. And we're just missing them. Coming from behind us.
Oh god.
Yeah, this is. Oh!
What the fuck? Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that. Suicide's incoming. Gotta reload.
all of them? Nope.
That might be it.
Oh,
Oh, there's
did you see that? That was just
oh, people falling out the. Suiciders, watch out, Aaron.
yeah, I've been trying to get behind us.
I'm gonna go this one.
Ow.
Oh my god, this is just havoc down here. Grenade out. 5 for 1. I see him, yep, I see him. Let him reload.
Jumping's off. Get the guys down.
Nice.
Oh man, I'm down to 12 shots with my Springfield.
Yeah.